What's up, people? So it's the S&P 500 one-day reading for October 12th, 2021. And we have a push to the upside from a low in the pre-market. That's the first day's high. It looks to me like that's from a gap down. However, that's a little blurry. But there's a move higher from a low. And then right around the open, we have a breakdown, like sideways decline. But then we have from 9:30 to 10 o'clock roughly, we have a push to the upside with a bunch of negative news. We still move higher. Negative news should come out roughly around 10 o'clock, a little bit before 10 maybe. And in that move higher, we're going to have, I'll have an opportunity to cash in on some long positions, it looks like. Yes, because I have an opportunity in the right around the open to open some long positions. Now the high and the low, it's the Princess of Wands and the in the high position, and the Ace of Wands in the low position. Both of those are great trade opportunities, and it looks to me like the lows are going to be like there's going to be a big push off of the lows back to and then back down to meet the lows. And then the highs are going to be opportunities to open some short positions. And they also are the highs and the lows today come within close proximity of each other. There's definite highs with highs being like notable pivot points, and then there's definite moves to the upside off of lows to the highs. And then there's also, I mean, the devil card is there in the theme. There's most likely intentional fake outs going on here. And this looks to me like most likely a very significant intentional fake out. We're going to have three pokes through a resistance level, followed by a sharp decline. So we have that push higher, even with the bad news. Right around the 10 o'clock mark, and between 10 and 11 is that opportunity for me to sell some long positions, possibly open and then open some short positions. Excuse me. It's going to be an opportunity for me to take some profits. There's a drop right around the 11 o'clock, and that's from a high that we won't see again within this day. But we do move between 12 and 1 o'clock. We do move to bump up against that resistance, probably poke through that resistance level again, or and maybe it's not the same resistance, but we poke through, we bump up against the resistance level, and that's pushing from a high. Excuse me, pushing up from a low to reach another day's high, and then we have support again. Looks like we try to establish support between 1 and 2 o'clock, or we need to establish this support between 1 and 2 o'clock. And then right around 2 o'clock, there's a reversal and a sharp drop through a notable support level. And then between 3 and 4 o'clock, between 3 and the close roughly, there's 3 pokes through a resistance level. 3 failed attempts to break that resistance level, just pokes through 3 times, and then there's a sharp drop right into the close. We have another high and low in the post market. It looks to me like there's a sideways S maneuver going on in the post market. And it appears to me that the preview card for the following day is a sharp drop within a period within an already volatile market. All right, guys. I'm sure this stuff is helping you because I'm making a ton of money. I'm just following my trade plans here. They say this can't be done. We're doing it every day. Spread the word. Make some money. Tell your friends. Have them make some money. it's not really that difficult when you add that into the technical analysis. You put those two together, and it becomes like very, very simple to see what's happening, guys. So again, like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you're thinking, and I hope this helps you guys make some money. Talk to you later.